Now let's open the painted blue little wet what? Shoo, shoo, flying. My boots. Fancy too, man. Ah. I can't. Yay. Almost got it. Yes, got control. No. Got control. Yes, got control. No, lost control. Move these away from my side. And a little poopsie sticker that's not even from l.o.l. that is on the l.o.l. packages. Cameraman.
Yes?
Why do they put Chinese toys in Bangkok?
Oh. It's not they put it in Bangkok. It's some people bring it to Bangkok and put it on sale.
Oh.
And actually I went to a kind of a wholesaler. You can see all sorts of toys from China.
I got the same one.
Is it?
Yes. Maybe everyone's just the same one.
Maybe. I have no idea.
I wanted to get another one though.
But the packages are different.
Really?
Maybe the clothings are different.
Yeah, I think it's blue. Why do they have to do the same character? Why are these people so lazy?
I don't know.
Showing off toys. Here. Okay. Now let's open this. Oh. Yep, as I said, clothes are purple. And clothes design different.
But the face of the door is the same, right?
No, her eyes are a bit darker. And her eyes are bigger.
So it's not the same.
It is a bit the same though.
Sequence the head. You didn't see what I've done before.
Oh. She can do the splits. Now we gotta put on her purple dress. Cat farm, E-I-E-I-O. Ah. 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 Here are the identical twins. This is Veronica and this is Veronica. 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 These are identical twins. Maybe I'll get triplets. And their cups are also different. One of them are a coffee cup. Okay, now let's get a close-up. These two identical twins. The close-up of Veronica first. And the close-up of the close-up of Veronica. And this is Veronica, and this is Veronica. And these are identical twins, and they have the same hair, the same shoes, but different water bottles and different dresses. So see you on the next one. It's open.